Hi, my name is Greg Hunsaker and I'm the Director of Product Development and Strategy at ARDEX Americas. Today I'd like to introduce to you the need for speed topping systems. When you need a finished durable floor yesterday, ARDEX is here to help. The topping system is a pour and seal finished surface that is ready for foot traffic in less than 24 hours. The first product I'm going to talk about is ARDEX K520. K520 is a self-leveling concrete topping that is smooth, consistent, and ready to be sealed in 16 to 24 hours. After you finish pouring the self-leveler and the topping, you would put down ARDEX PC60 polyurethane sealer. This sealer is ready for light traffic in less than 3 hours. It resists common stains from spills and other drops. It comes in two versions, high gloss and reduced gloss. This topping system delivers a finished floor in as little as 24 hours. For more information about these products, systems, and warranties, please contact your local sales pro at the number on the screen. We look forward to hearing from you.